Hello, my name is Mike Dragon, and today I'm going to show you how to start an event registration link. So as you can see, I'm logged in into my Oveit account in my dashboard, in my events section. I have some events already published. Some of them have some attendees, and some of them do not. I'm going to press the Create Event button, which takes me to the 4 basic steps to create your future event on Oveit. So I'm just going to call it my demo event, and it's going to happen sometimes in the future. Let's just say September 25th, and we're going to set it to start at 9 a.m. We have a description section where you can add a description for our event. We have a place where you can add a cover photo and some additional media files. You can upload as much as 10 photos that can be browsed by your future visitors. We have a place where we can set it to happen. So a location, we can place it on map. So for example, let's just search for something in Austin. I'm just gonna drop Austin, Texas, but you can find your venue by just searching in this input. And afterwards, we have some advanced settings. And the one that I want to show you is the Enable Custom Registration Forms. This will enable you in the next step to record information from your future visitors under the registration forms step. But first, we're probably going to set up a ticket. So I'm going to press the Create Ticket button. I'm going to add a name. So let's just call it my first ticket, right? If you don't want to have any kind of pricing, just leave it at 0. But I'm going to add a $10 registration fee. And we can also set bulk sales options where you can select how much multiple tickets would have the cost. So more tickets, less price per ticket. We have some additional options in this drop down. There's an additional description section which you can add to your ticket. You can set your ticket to be public or private. We have an option for the whitelist option where you can approve and deny visitor registration. We have a sale period, so you can set up early bird tickets, late bird tickets, and so on and so forth. We have an option to select a ticket validity, so a ticket can be scanned within a certain time frame. And we have an option to select how many tickets we want to allow to be sold for that particular ticket, and what we call add-ons, things you can stack on top of your ticket. But for me, I'm just going to press save, and I'm going to have my first ticket, which is priced at $10. If I add a new ticket, I can move my tickets around, so rearrange them. And with the Pro subscription, you can also brand your ticket with your logo, some cover photos, and some additional options. Now, in the advanced section, we have several options. First of all, confirmation email. You can customize what's happening after someone registers for your email. We have a default option, which you can change here. We have an email notification section where you can choose whether you want to receive a notification once someone registers. And we have event reminder option. So whenever someone registers, they leave you their email, and prior to the event, you can send a reminder, hey, tomorrow a wonderful event is happening. Don't forget to come at a certain location and here's your tickets. There's some additional options at checkout where you can customize whether someone receive a specific message once they registered, or they're getting redirected to a thank you page on your own website. There are some additional options, but I'm just going to skip them. I'm going to follow up with the registration forms. So for example, I may ask my registrants for their name, maybe their company, and event interests. So, and I'm going to choose this to be a drop-down list. So I'm going to add here, let's say, having fun and learning new stuff. We can select multiple selection if we want our visitors to select more than just one option. And if we want some of the fields to be mandatory, we just click this checkbox right here. And in a very short time frame, we are ready to publish our event by pressing next. and heading over to the preview and publish section. This is going to be a preview of your event, right? It's not very complicated. But once I press publish, it's going to be available under the share section. So this is your event registration link. If you press this section right here, it takes you to the event registration page. And if you copy it, you can paste it within other apps. So in a nutshell, this is pretty much it.